In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your sound settings in Windows 11. If your audio is not working properly, sounds different than usual, or you're having speaker or headphone issues, these methods can help fix the problem. There are a few different things we need to do, so follow each step carefully. First, go to the bottom right corner of the taskbar and right-click on the volume icon. Then click on Open Volume Mixer. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and where it says Reset Sound Devices and Volumes for all apps, click on the Reset button. Once you've done that, close the window. Next, open the Start menu, search for Services, and open it. Scroll all the way down until you find the service called Windows Audio. Right-click on Windows Audio and select Restart. After the service restarts, close the Services window. Now right-click on the volume icon again and select Sound Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and click on More Sound Settings. In the Playback tab, double-click on your active speaker or headphone device. Go to the Advanced tab and click on Restore Defaults. After that, click Apply and then OK. At this point, check if your sound settings have been reset and whether your audio is working properly again. If you're still experiencing sound issues, there's one more method you can try. Open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager, then open it. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the correct audio driver from the list and click Next. Windows will reinstall or update the audio driver automatically. Once everything is complete, restart your computer. And that's how you can reset your sound settings in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips.